Hello, myself Kunal Shah and I am playing the role of Howard architecture. So, Howard architecture is the fundamental architecture in the digital system, and it's played very crucial role in the modern computing as well as in the embedded system and in the microcontrollers too. So, I will tell you about myself more, Howard architecture. So Howard architecture physically have separate memory for the instruction as well as for the data. Unlike one human, which use the single memory both for the data as well as the instruction. So having a distinct memory unit for the instruction as well as the data, which increase the speed of CPU. It can access both data as well as instruction at the same time. So this concept was introduced by Howard Mark in 1940s. 19 Howard architecture after that menu. So I will tell you more about can say key features about Howard architecture. It's me in this video. So I have the separate memory for the instruction as well as in data I mentioned earlier. So I have the uh, as I mentioned that I have two separate memories, one for the instruction and one for the data buses, which simultaneously allow the CPU to execute as well as the fetching of data at the same time, which increase the efficiency of the CPU, as well as the CPU don't have to wait for the instruction to be fetched earlier and to execute after that, which make it more real time, ideal for the real time applications. And it prevents from the data corruption because self modifying of the codes, this is not generally possible in the Howard architectures, and which improves the stability and the security of the system, which are now generally more important. Then after the higher bandwidth, you know, after having two separate buses, I, the speed between the transfer of the data is increased too much, mainly especially it helps in the microcontrollers as well as in digital systems. So you can see the microcontrollers which we use in whatever washing machines and ovens. You just press the button and you have to do works. The applications of the Howard architecture I mainly used in microcontrollers, as I said, for the embedded systems, and the main uh, use of my is in digital signal processor where the need of the fetching and as well as the instructions work simultaneously, and also in RISC processors. Now, in the end, Howard architecture is the powerful design that enhance the processing speed by the separate instruction as well as the data memory. I am not that much flexible like one human architecture, but the efficiency make me that much preferred in the microcontrollers in digital processing as well as in the embedded system.